Hello friends, welcome to Money Matters page. Here are the details of HSN codes and I will show you the video how to search HSN codes. I have already copied the link which we have already pasted in caption of our last post. So you need to go through there and there will be a page goods and service e-invoice system, and there you can see HSN codes and other codes, and then we need to go on HSN codes. Then we need to select HSN chapter. For example, we will be selecting mobile phone, so it's already HSN, I know 4-digit HSN, it's 8517. So then I need to go on first 2 digit, for example 85. So I will go on for searching first 2 digits 85. Here is 85, and we will be selecting electrical machinery and equipment and parts thereof, and recording and reproducers, and we need to fill the captcha and select the go button. Here you can see all the HSN related to 85 are there. So as I know, my mobile HSN 4-digit code is 8517. Then only we need to find more 2 digits 8517. Then for example your code is like your product is like line telephone sets with the codeless handsets, so you need to select 851711. If it is not codeless handset and if it is wireless network, then you need to select 851712. For example, you can see here 851712 telephone for cellular networks or for other wireless networks, so it will include your mobile phones too. So for 6 digit it is 851712. Otherwise previously there was only requirement of 4 digit, it was 8517 only. So for specification for selecting specifically wireless network, you need to select 851712. Okay, let's try to search another HSN. I would like to search for suit, that textile product. So it is starting HSN is 52. Let's search for suit. As you know, suit in suit cotton material ratio is 85% plus. So I will search for 85% plus cotton. It's already 4-digit HSN is 5208. So here is 5208 woven fabric of cotton containing 85% or more weight of cotton. Generally in suit 85% or more weight of cotton is there. So for selecting specifically what is your cotton weight, you need to search out in the below HSN. For example, if your weight is more than 85%, then you can select 520811. But if your specification for suit is some other, for example you are making a suit in which cotton material used is less than 85%, then you need to select another HSN from the above details. For example here you can see sari is also made of cotton, so if cotton material weight is more than 85% in your sari product, then you need to select this HSN. You can select as many as HSN as your products, as you are making product of different kinds, then you can select like this. So you can see all these type of products HSN, whatever product you are making, you can see all type of HSN.